In our previous video, we have created 3D render views. Now let's create door schedule. Open Schedule Quantities. Select door category. Keep Schedule Building Component. Now we will select fields for door schedule. First, we will select Type Mark, then Width, and then Height. Now click OK. This is schedule of all the doors in the project. Now let's sort the data. We will sort the door schedule by type mark and check Itemize every instance. Our door schedule is ready. Now let's add Count field. Our door schedule is ready along with counting. Now to graphically represent door schedule, we will create a legend of doors. Create new legend. Name it Door Legend. From Project Browser, we will go to Families. Search for Door category. Now drag and drop the doors used in the project. Now create a copy of these door families. Now select the copies. Change them to front elevation. This is our door plan and elevation legend. Now let's create a table around them. Select Detail Line tool and draw a line at the left side. Now copy this line 4 times. To equally space these lines, we will use a Line Dimension tool. Now click on this small EQ to equally space these lines. Now remove these dimensions. Remove the constraint. Now we will complete the table by drawing line at top and bottom. Now we will assign dimensions to the doors. This way we will complete our door legend. Now let's create a new sheet and place our door legend and schedule. Now drag and drop the door legend. We will also place the door schedule here. Similarly, we can create window legend and schedule. This way we can graphically represent our door window schedules. Now let's create wall section using Callout view. Activate elevation view by double-clicking on it. Now go to Views tab and then click on Callout button. Create a rectangle at the wall. Double-click on the callout head to open the callout view. Now we will make some adjustment in the view. We will hide all the unnecessary details. We will assign some dimension. Now let's place this wall section on the drawing sheet. Drag and drop this section here. Now let's add some details to our wall section. We will rename it as Wall Section. Now let's add some description on the wall. We will use Text with Leader option. We will assign it 8-inch wall. This is 4-inch wall. In between we have 2-inch cavity. This way we can add details in our wall section. Now let's use Drafting View. In the Drafting View we can bring the details created in AutoCAD. This is the plinth protection detail. If we want to use the same detail here, we can bring it in Drafting View. Go to View tab and then click on Drafting View. We will select the scale of 1 by 16 inches equal to 1 feet. Now we will bring AutoCAD drawing here. Go to Insert tab, then click on Import CAD. We will select our detail and make sure it is current view only. Now press OK. The CAD drawing has been inserted. We will insert this detail in the drawing sheet. This way we can easily insert CAD details. We will rename this detail as Plinth Protection Detail. Now let's create area plans for gross area of the building. Go to Views tab, then click on Plan Views. Select Area Plan. Select Ground Floor Plan and change it to Gross Building. And check Do Not Duplicate Existing View. Click Yes to create gross area from external walls. This floor is 5,450 square feet. Now we will hide all the unnecessary details from the view. Place this detail on the drawing sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.